This is hands down the simplest side hustle you can start in 2025. And yes, it's even perfect for this 57-year-old prehistoric brain like mine. No product creation, no chasing people, no tech overwhelm. So if you've been wondering how to make money online without the stress, stick with me. I'm going to walk you through the exact strategy that I'm using right now. My name is Carol. I'm a Christian retiree living in Ontario, Canada. These days, I enjoy hosting international students in my home and helping women of faith learn to retire early and live with financial freedom through digital marketing. If you're a total beginner, I can show you step by step how to build multiple income streams online. Before we begin, if you'd like my Freedom Formula Blueprint, it's linked in the description below. It's a free guide that walks you through the same process I'm about to share. Now let's answer the big question. Do I need something to sell? The answer is yes. Online or offline, income is always an exchange, a product or service for value. And this is where most people get stuck. What on earth do I sell? Many people start selling products through Amazon. You ship products, deal with packaging, storage, and customer service. Margins are razor thin. You might earn just a few dollars per sale. To build income, you'd need to sell hundreds a month, and this easily becomes a grind. Then there's print on demand. No inventory and no shipping. Sounds great at first. But when you subtract printing costs, marketing, and returns, you work very hard for very little. Next is affiliate marketing. Everybody talks about this. You promote other people's products and earn a commission, usually 25 to 50%. And don't get me wrong, it can be a wonderful bonus income stream. But as your main business, it can be limiting. You don't control the product and you don't control the pricing. Profits can remain small. Finally, you could create your own product. But that comes with a mountain of questions. What do I create? Will anyone buy it? How do I reach my audience consistently? Here's how I like to think. Starting a business online is like planting a garden. If you just throw seeds randomly, some will sprout, but most won't. Prepare the soil, plant the seeds in the right season, and water them regularly. You can count on a harvest. When I was planning for my selective retirement, I didn't want trial and error. I wanted something proven, and that's when I discovered a master resale rights program. A product that not only gave me digital marketing skills, but also gave me a ready-to-sell course. That shortcut allowed me to start right away with tools and training already built in. And here's why this matters. Every day, people are searching for how to make money online, how to create passive income, and how to retire early. Forbes predicts that digital marketing will grow to $3 billion per day in 2027. It's already at $1.3 billion. That is massive. Here's the beauty. You don't need to be salesy. Nobody wants to be that person who invites an old acquaintance for coffee just to pitch them on an amazing idea. Ain't nobody got time for that. Instead, you let automation do the work. Automation explains, follows up, and builds trust while you get on with your life. That's why I call it my freedom machine. Let me quickly walk you through it. Someone sees your content. They click the link and end up on your capture page. They enter their email. Automated emails go out, answering their questions and building trust. When they're ready, they purchase. The whole process happens whether you're at your desk or at the beach. Here's an example. My friend Wendy was at a water park in Florida with her grandkids on vacation when a sale notice came in on her phone. That wasn't luck. That was automation happening in the background. The platform I use is called System.io. It's free for up to 2,000 subscribers and it runs everything. Funnels, emails, payments, website. It's like a complete business in a box. Now compare this to traditional courses. Local colleges charge between $2,000 and $3,000 for a digital marketing course. You walk away with a certificate, but no system, no support, and no income opportunity. The program I joined, it cost a fraction of that, including live coaching and community, and gave me master resale rights. That means I can sell it for 100% profit. Just one sale can cover the investment, and everything else is pure profit. Let me pause here, because this is important. For me, financial freedom is not about piling up money. It's about what money allows you to do. As women of faith, we want more time for what matters: family, serving in our churches, volunteering in our communities, maybe even working on a passion project that God has placed on our hearts. That's why this journey excites me. Because when your income isn't tied to a 9-to-5, you can concentrate on things that bring me on purpose. If you want the easiest way to start, especially as a beginner, a Master Resale Rights program is the best path I've found. It teaches me real digital marketing skills, gives me done-for-you tools, and helps me create income without overwhelm. If you'd like to see exactly how it works, watch my free class linked below. I'll walk you through step by step how to start even if you have zero tech skills. So now you know why I believe this is absolutely the simplest side hustle for you in 2025. Watch the next video and let's keep building our financial future together.